Right. So here we have a basic SVG, the Scalable Vector Graphic that Illustrator or Inkscape use. The way it works, it's in the unit are pixels.
Okay.
We start 0, 0 here, and let's say 100, 100, but
yeah,
any size.
Okay, yeah.
We have X.
X-axis.
And Y
axis. Okay.
So for our two lines in SVG, these are two lines. A line is defined with an X and Y at the beginning and X and Y at the end. So let's say we have 10, 10, and 90, 90. Here we would have 10, 90, and 90, 10.
10. Ah, okay. That's mathematics, yes. True. But this is just two lines. We have more than two lines here.
Indeed. So how do we draw the other lines?
Changing the angles.
For instance, this one, we could change the angle indeed, and sounds like the logical strategy. However, we just mentioned that in SVG we define the line with the start and the ends. We don't have the angle.
Okay, so then without the angle, how do we do that?
Well, yeah, what is changing here?
I see we are moving the Y position over here.
Correct.
From top to down.
So indeed, here, and also from bottom up.
Aha, okay. This is quite logical.
So we could have a loop that change our Y at the beginning and Y at the end, increasing and decreasing.
Okay.
So we end up with something like that. And something like that with steps in between.
I see, yeah. Okay. Okay. But what I see here, that you just said we are changing the while loop, right? What once we reach here? Because over here, I feel we need to move the x-axis.
Yeah, indeed.
Okay.
So we could make a second loop, second for loop. Here we make a for loop to iterate from here to there. We could make a second loop where we play on the x-axis instead of the y-axis.
Ah, yeah, that looks really programmatical logic.
Something like that, where we move on the x, on one side plus, and on the other side
minus.
minus.
Yeah, okay.
And etc. To complete the chart. And we can see why I'm not drawing it manually myself.
Ah, now I know how you did that.
That's it. So in the code, one for loop for the y-axis, one for loop for the x-axis, and we have our drawing.
Wow, nice. I would like to make it by myself for sure.